sometimes I think about 2 months or something like this till you can relocate to Munich.
Okay.
So, yes. Another very important question we have is what your salary expectations are.
My salary expectation depends from your offer. What is your offer currently?
Because okay. It depends on your skills, I would say, because we have some different stages. The first stage is the internship. Sometimes we offer some candidates the internship if the results at the test weren't that good, but we think they should get help. Then sometimes we offer the internship. It's about €1,000 per month and about 6 months to go. And then there's the position of the junior developer. This position starts at 42,000 per year. And then we have the senior developer. It depends, of course, on your skills again. And this position can start around 50 to 60,000 per year. We have the tech lead. You're then a developer supervising your own little team. And therefore, you have also a higher salary expectation. So after you have finished our test, because we need to know what you are able to do, we can offer you a contract based on your skills. And therefore, we have some different salary range.
Okay, I think team lead is not for me now and as a senior developer, because I have to relearn my skills again, because by the time some of them forgettable, они забываются, and again and again repeat them.
Okay.
This is the offer you have again.
Yeah, we will discuss on the fixed salary when it comes to the contract, of course. But for us, it's very important to get an idea of what the candidate wants. So, yes.
Okay. I'd like to relocate to Germany and working at your company. And about salary expectation, not too much for now, because first of all, I'd like to relocate and get a job, and after I will think, because I think your company provides an education exactly, and I can get a help, as you mentioned.
Yes, of course. So, as I mentioned before, the next steps will be that we invite you to a HackerRank test. It's online. There you get some coding exercises, so we get to know what your skills are. And afterwards, if we have received your results, we will come back to you and inform you about your performance. And if you have done quite good, we can move on to the final coding interview. And this coding interview consists of technical questions and also live coding exercises. And therefore, we also will get a result of on your performance. And if you have then also done quite good, we can negotiate about the contract, and then, of course, we can decide which position, with which salary we can offer you.
Okay. So, what is about test on the HackerRank? From where we can get started? When?
Yes, I will send you, I think today, a mail with the invitation. It's about 200 minutes, I think, and you have various exercises. Sometimes you can choose which language you are using. and sometimes you have to use a specific one. It's for us to compare what you can do and how good you are, and compare you to other candidates. And yes, it's very important that once you have started the test, you have to finish it. So you cannot take a look at it and prepare very well for the test and afterwards start the test again. So if you have started it, you have to finish it. That's the main important thing of the test. Yeah, and that's it.
Okay. So when I don't want to take your time, and have a nice rest of your day.
It's no problem. You can decide on your own when you want to start the test. It doesn't matter if you have time today or tomorrow. It would be great if you finish the test within the next 7 days. But of course, don't stress about if you have time in this week. So it's also okay if you do it on the weekend when you have free time. So don't stress about it.
Okay.
Great. So do you have any other questions?
Haven't.
Great. So thank you for your time and have a nice day. And we will write you a mail with further instructions.
Okay.
Great. Bye.
Bye.